Hello friends, welcome to the Life Skills Green. In English grammar series, we are going to learn in chapter 23 the use of rather, quite, fairly, somewhat, a bit, etc. These express degree, preference and nuance. These words allow you to add precision, tone and emotion to your sentences. While many learners focus on grammar rules, native speakers often use these expressions in daily speech to sound more natural and nuanced. Number 1. Rather. Preference or degree. Meaning. Preference used to express what someone would prefer. Example sentences: I'd rather stay home than go to the party. Would you rather drink tea or coffee? She'd rather not talk about it. Meaning to. Moderately, somewhat in British English, used to express a slightly stronger degree than fairly or quite. Example sentences: That's rather strange. It was rather cold this morning. He's rather good at chess. Number 2. Quite. Emphasis or precision. Meaning 1. Completely, especially with strong adjectives. Example sentences: That's quite amazing. You are quite right. The movie was quite perfect. Meaning 2. To a lesser degree, especially in American English. Example sentences: She is quite tired but not exhausted. The room is quite clean. It's quite hard to explain. Number 3. Fairly. Moderate degree. Used to mean more than a little but not very. It's neutral in tone. Example sentences: The test was fairly difficult. He is fairly confident. They live in a fairly quiet town. Number 4. Somewhat. Slightly to a limited degree. Used mostly in formal or neutral writing speech. Example sentences: I am somewhat concerned about his behavior. The film was somewhat disappointing. Her answer was somewhat vague. Number 5. A bit, a little. Informal ways to show small degree. Very common in spoken English, especially British English. Examples: I'm a bit tired. She's feeling a little nervous. The movie was a bit boring. A lot. A lot means large amount. Informal. Used to intensify verbs and some adjectives. Examples: He talks a lot. We learned a lot in class. She's a lot more confident now. Number 7. Almost. Almost means nearly but not quite. Used to describe something close to happening. Examples: I've almost finished my work. He's almost as tall as his father. We almost missed the bus. Here we have comparison table. Used all these words: rather, quite, fairly, somewhat, a bit, a little, a lot, almost. Here they are in their degree and function. I'd rather stay home. This is preference. Completely means that's quite good. Moderate, she is fairly tall. Slight, he looked somewhat tired. Slight informal, it's a bit noisy here. Slight polite, she is a little worried. Large informal, they laughed a lot. Nearly, almost here means nearly. I've almost finished. Real life situations. Social media. That was quite a surprise. In schools, I was a bit nervous before the presentation. At work, I am somewhat concerned about the delay. Cafe talk: I'd rather have tea, thanks. Practice time: choose the correct word to complete the sentences. Here we have, for example, now what should we put in this blank here? I would rather be alone than argue. This is correct. We can put here rather. She's a bit busy but she'll call back later. The weather is quite nice today. He was almost late to the meeting. The film was somewhat disappointing. Not awful, but not great.